Hey everybody, EvgHobbies is here. Today is a nice day out and we decided to spend the day with our family. Right now we're gonna go on a boat to get it ready for the lunch this week, and then probably we'll go shooting. I don't think I'll shoot any video at the boat, but I'll definitely shoot something from the shooting range, so I'll see you when we get there. Курок внизу. Это оставь открытый. Нажимай на курок. Вот сюда. Будет громко. Ну что, будешь? Подожди. Бери руку. Перезаряжай. Нажимай. Попало? Да. Подожди. Нажимай.
Попала!
So we finally made it to the range. We shot rifle already, and that's the setup for the handguns. I didn't record the rifle. And that's what I'll be shooting today. Makarov 10mm, Governor 45, and M57. It's 7.62 by 25. So let me put you down somewhere and we'll go through them. Okay, I couldn't find a better place to put it, but we'll start with Makarov. Safety off. All good. Let's shoot the big target first. It's been a while since I've done it. Too low. What the hell is going on? All over the place. Out. Let's up the caliber and go with M57. Safety off. Out. And my hands are shaky. Let's go 50 cal. Oh, 45. Much better. Let's go for the head. Think missed it. There we go. Out. Couple shots into the target, and then to the smaller ones. There's my wife shooting. shooting the ground. There we go. Let's see where is she's hitting. Oh, one headshot already. My wife with a big gun now. Next shot. Берешь, смотришь цель.
Смотри, чтоб по лицу не попало.
Вместе. Empty. Just wanna do some fun. Think I'll regret it. Maybe. At least my hand will. That's it. I don't even know if I'm gonna post it. I mean, on YouTube. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.